mistaken for a solution. We are not a solution. We have been doing this for decades, and it has never been so bad. And we are all so tired. I am so tired. But more than that, I am angry. Because it doesn't have to be this way. We know what the solution is. Each year we come to you with this report, and we get asked, what should be done? How do we solve this? And for years, the answers have been the same. It's not about building a better food bank. People need affordable housing. People need access to decent work that pays a living wage. And people need social assistance rates that don't leave them in legislative poverty. Until we see these things, the situation will not change. We cannot keep asking the same question and expect a different answer. Food banks are being asked to do impossible things. And so often, we are being asked to do them by the very people with the power to fix this. So I'm asking you all today, read this report, look at the findings, and ask yourself, are we as a city okay with this? Are we okay with people spending 100% of their income on housing? Are we okay with jobs that don't pay enough to allow people to feed themselves? Are we okay with more than 1 in 10 people in our city coming to food banks, a quarter of them children? Are we okay with the response to this crisis that we've seen so far? Because I'll tell you, it's not enough. And really, we're beyond crisis. So we're raising the alarm today. And get used to the noise, because we'll not stop ringing it until we see a commitment to actual change, to actual solutions. At North York Harvest, we welcome any policymaker who's looking to make actual change, to work on actual solutions, to come to our space, to see what we do, and to talk about how we can move forward together. But if you're not committing to change, don't waste our time. We're too busy. We have too much to do responding to a crisis that years of inaction, austerity, and neglect of our communities has created. We aren't just going to stand here and be asked to do impossible things. We're ready to fight for our communities, for a city where all